Hi guys, it's Miss Joanna, long time no see. I wanted to go ahead and show you a new craft that I'm working on. So, what you need for this craft is a piece of black or dark blue paper, construction paper, and either crayons or I'm going to use pastels today. This is a white chalk pastel, which looks like these. But crayons work just fine. What works best and what I would like you to do, if possible, is use white paint with a Q-tip, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you're going to do to start is you're going to take a pencil and you're going to draw a penguin shape, which is just an oval, half an oval on the bottom of your page. Then you're going to make 2 dots and a little V for your eyes and your beak, and we'll finish him later. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take and let me put this down here so you can see it. You're gonna go ahead and take your pastels or your paint or your crayon, and you're gonna make snow all around your penguin. And you want to make it, you don't want to make it in a line, you want to make it like snow falls, like randomly scattered, like if you were to drop snow on things. And you're going to make it all over the page. Look at that. Fun times. Oops, I'm getting some pastel on my penguin. He's getting a little snowy. And I'll show you how to do this with a white crayon. Oh, where's my white crayon? Okay, well, my white crayon has disappeared, so I will use a gray crayon to show you some gray snow, like some ash maybe we had this summer. So gray doesn't work as well, but white will stand out nicely. Crayons are great. I'm not going to use yellow. I don't know what happened to my white crayon. That is crazy. Missing one crayon, and it's the white one. I wonder who took that. I'm at home, so it had to be me. And you want to make sure you get snow all around the outside of your little penguin, because he's standing in the snow. You really want him to stand out. So don't be afraid to make that snow close together. And I'm gonna, for the interest of time, I'm not going to fill my whole paper up, but I want you to fill your whole paper up with snow. So here's what it looks like so far. And I would just keep adding snow all over. And what I want you to do is use your pincher fingers to do this. And try to make your circles as small and precise as possible. They're saying next week we're gonna get snow, which would be awesome. Maybe you don't like snow, and that's okay. All right, so once you have your entire page covered in snow, you're gonna take your orange crayon and fill in your penguin's nose. Let's see if I can get a brighter color. Nope. Use those pastels. If you have paint, it'll work better. Pastels are my favorite. Let's just do that. Cute. And then you're going to color in his belly. So you're going to make another U shape. So you made a U shape here, or a half oval, and then you're going to make another upside down U shape and color it in. I might make mine a little wider for my chubby little penguin here. And then you're going to take and make your eyes for your guy. And when you have paint, you're going to put a little dot of black paint. So if you had white paint on your Q-tip, you would go dot, 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 holding your Q-tip tightly. And then you would color in your oval for your tummy. And then you'd flip your Q-tip around, use the orange paint here, fill in. See how I'm pinching it? And then you would come back around and draw your eyes. And then you would let your eyes dry a little bit and either use a marker or a pen or some black paint and just put a dot, tiny dot. You could use a paintbrush for that, or you could dip a pencil in your black paint and just get it in there. And that is the craft for the week. I hope you like it. I might go ahead and fill in some more snow, but it looks like our penguin is standing in the middle of a snowstorm. So, all right, you guys, that's it for today. Bye.